Alright, time to get some cheese. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, you gotta be kidding me! We're out of cheese? Mario? What do you want? So, I was going to the fridge, and then... Let me guess. We're out of cheese, aren't we? How did you know that? You said you were gonna get something in the fridge, and I guessed it was cheese. So I'll buy you some more cheese later. But why? I want cheese now. Look, Sharp Puppet, do not start this, okay? But why? I want cheese now. Just leave me alone, or I won't give you cheese. Ah! Oh my God, he's even more annoying than Jeffy. Oh no, I gotta get to the scale quick. Oh, hello. Hi. Hello? You okay? Why are you staring at me like that? Cheese. Wait, what? What are you doing? Are you eating me? No! That is some nice cheese. Wait a minute. Oh no! What have I done? I killed an innocent person. You better not be here to ask for more cheese. I'm not. Well, good. What's wrong with you? Nothing? Okay. Huh. Who's this guy? Why is he laying on the street? I mean on the sidewalk. Hold on. Wait, he's not breathing. Sharp Puppet, there's some dead guy on the sidewalk. You sound ridiculous. No, actually, there is actually a dead guy on the sidewalk. Like, I don't know what to do. I should call the cops, but I don't want to get in trouble. And there were also a bunch of teeth bites all over him. I know. Yeah, that's just crazy. Wait, you knew? Yeah. Oh, crap. Alright, Sharp Puppet, you need to start explaining right now. Do you know what has happened out there? No. Sharp Puppet, I do not believe you, okay? Like, I honestly couldn't blame you, but you were the one outside. Why are you accusing me? Like, why don't you go accuse Jeffy or something? What are you talking about? Jeffy has been playing his Nintendo Switch all day over there. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, get wrecked, kid. Oh my gosh, you're so trash. All he does on that Nintendo Switch is play shooting games. Like, that's so stupid. Well, so, tell me the truth. Do you know about that dead guy? Alright, fine. So, I saw him out there and then I just saw that it looked like cheese. So I ate it and then I just realized it was the human. Sharp Puppet, you did what? Do you have hallucinations? I don't know. Maybe I do. Okay, we're gonna have to call you a doctor to get you back to normal. Hey, did someone call a doctor? I did. So you see, I think Sharp Puppet has hallucinations. So like, can you fix that? Oh sure, we'll help you with that. But why is he staring at me? Finally, some more cheese. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, are you eating? Sharp Puppet! Great. You just killed the doctor. Oh, I'm sorry. Who's that? What? The cops! So, what are you doing? Well, I was walking down the street, and you know what I found? Some dead guy in the front of your sidewalk. So, which one of you two are responsible for it? Well, to be honest, I don't know what you're talking about. Well, I found it on the sidewalk, and it was in front of your house. So it has to be you, too. So if you guys don't admit who did it, then I'm gonna have to arrest both of you. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to tell the truth. So, he did it. So, like, he had hallucinations of thinking that person was cheese, and he loves cheese. And he didn't know that was a person. Oh, hallucinations of cheese, huh? But I'm still gonna have to arrest him. You never take me alive! Take that! Stop it! Stop! You do not insult a police officer. Well, that's it. You're going to go to jail for a couple of years. No, you won't take me alive, Mr. Cheese. What? No, I'm not cheese! What is wrong with you? Well, I'm sorry. It happened again. Sharp Puppet, do you need to go sit in your room until your hallucination is under control? Well, there he goes. Now, what am I gonna do with these bodies?